I study English because I like it. I study English because I like it. I need to get up early every day. I need to get up early every day. I work from 8 to 5 p.m. from Monday to Friday. I work from 8 to 5 p.m. from Monday to Friday. Have you seen my keys? I can't find them. Have you seen my keys? I can't find them. How often do you study English? How often do you study English? I leave home after having lunch. I leave home after having lunch. I like to eat lunch with my family. I like to eat lunch with my family. Where can I find a bus station? Where can I find a bus station? I sometimes eat out with my family. I sometimes eat out with my family. My brother always says the truth. My brother always says the truth. Do you usually drive your car? Do you usually drive your car? I'd like a cup of coffee, please. I'd like a cup of coffee, please. You are my best friend. You are my best friend. What about going to the movies? What about going to the movies? What do you prefer to eat? What do you prefer to eat? I was born in New York in 1980. I was born in New York in 1980. My family live in the same town. My family live in the same town. I arrived late yesterday. I arrived late yesterday. You can come to visit me. You can come to visit me. Why are you sad? Why are you sad? My dog likes to play in the park. My dog likes to play in the park. Would you like to drink something? Would you like to drink something? I can't be truth. I can't be truth.